Hello YouTube. This is a woodshed that I built a while back. You may have seen it. I did a live video. I was testing out just the live video capabilities on YouTube. So that video was a really low quality video. So I decided, you know what, let's get some better footage of this thing. And is what I'm going to do. I'm going to show an animation after I get done talking and explaining, showing exactly how I built this thing. I'll go ahead and I will show the actual detailed prints with dimensions. That will also be in this video. I do have the entire drawing set available on my website, but honestly, I'm going to put all that info in the video. Now, if you want a set that you can sit and look at for a while, that's fine, that you can print. You can go to the website. I don't know what the price will be when you see the video, but it's an extremely small amount. And that will basically allow you to download a PDF and take the drawings out to your shop. Or, I mean, you can pause this video, screenshot the videos and print them off, whatever you want to do. I don't know how well, if the text will show up super well in the video, but anyways, this is the woodshed. This thing has really worked out great. Been using it all winter. Oh my, it's super muddy. Okay, well, it's 40 degrees today. So we're almost out of wood. Had this filled up. And so as it's 40 degrees, this was frozen all winter and now it's not. So, but overall, I went ahead, I used deck boards on most of the stuff, because honestly I found that deck boards are cheaper than straight up 2x6s. But I have a 2x6 structure and then deck boards up the side. And you can use a metal roof. I'm not as familiar with metal roofing as far as how to use it, install it, and all that. So I went with something standard and traditional. That's, you know, something you'll have to decide how you want to do it. But on the inside here, it's pretty nice. I like this spacing. I had considered maybe putting some screen material, you know, like on a screened-in porch, stapling that to the inside. That way, that really light, fluffy snow, when it tries to blow, it will kind of get caught. But overall, we did not get a lot of snow blowing in here. Even with the tops being open like this, you know, you get a little bit of a dusting on the top layer of wood, but nothing you couldn't just knock off when you throw it into the wheelbarrow. So, yeah, it turned out really great. I like it a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and roll to the actual animation and all the prints so you can see dimensions. I'm just trying to get as much footage from the inside so you can see how it's constructed. Sometimes a picture is worth 1,000 words. So, all right. Try not to walk in the mud. There you go. That's kind of what it looks like. So, if this looks like a project you were interested, stay tuned, stick around, because I'm going to show you exactly how it's made. Alright, so this is a 3D animation. The idea here with this animation is hopefully it will give you a little bit better understanding of exactly how each piece comes together. So that is the purpose here. These prints that will follow here in a second are dimensioned in decimals. I have included a decimal to fraction conversion chart at the very end of this video, and that will help you if you're a little rusty on your decimal conversions. Here is my website. If you want to download a copy of these prints, you can. So this is a bill of materials. The things you couldn't see in that view, you can see from this view. This is the bottom view, and this is a side view. So those first 3 pages are assembly views with all of the actual parts called out on the bill of materials or that parts list on page 1. So all of these are individual details that are called out in the parts list. So every single piece is dimensioned. Now, for quantities, you'll have to refer to page 1 that has the parts list. So once again, if you have any questions, if you find dimensions that you want added to the assembly, or maybe something's missing, go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment sections below, and I will try to make sure I keep the description of this video up to date. It's very unlikely that I'll just take the video down and put it back up for one missing dimension. That's not going to happen. But I will keep a running list of any of those. I'll put it in the description. That way you don't have to read through all of the comments. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you've got something out of the video, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who may need a woodshed of their own. Also, one more just reminder, if you want a copy of these prints for yourself to print off, just go to my website, bexarmory.com, or follow me on Facebook. That's all I got. Thanks a lot, guys.